Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best mattress cleaner that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Bissell SpotClean Professional Portable Mattress Cleaner. The Bissell SpotClean Professional Portable Mattress Cleaner is a powerful spot and stain cleaner and will remove any aggressive stains on your mattress. And when you're not using it for beds, you can also use this versatile cleaner for carpets, stairs, car interiors, and much more. You'll no longer have to leave it to the professionals for a deep clean, as, for not too much money, you can now do it yourself. This Bissell mattress and carpet cleaner also comes with a cleaning solution that helps protect against future stains. Also included is a stair tool, a tough stain tool, and a trial-size bottle of Pro Max Clean. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bissell Multi-Purpose Portable Mattress Cleaner. The Bissell Multi-Purpose Portable Mattress Cleaner is a bit less expensive than the SpotClean Professional but still very effective. It uses the combination of strong suction and a powerful chemical to pick up tough stains and other spots on your mattress. And with all Bissell products, if you purchase this cleaner, they will donate some of the proceeds to help homeless animals. This mattress and upholstery cleaner is small and nimble, so it can fit in tight and large spaces. It also comes in 2 different colors, green and purple. It has a removable water tank that holds up to 48 ounces of water. Also, there is a hydro rinse tool attachment to help clean the hose after each time you use it. And if you have any stubborn stains, it has a 3-inch tough stain tool. At number 3, we have the Bissell SpotClean ProHeat Portable Mattress Cleaner. Bissell offers some of the best cleaners on the market, and the SpotClean ProHeat Portable Mattress Cleaner is no exception. It's portable for easy use, transportation, and storage. It uses heatwave technology to maintain water temperature. There is also a 3-inch tough stain tool for stairs, mattresses, and other hard-to-reach surfaces. The deep reach tool helps remove hard-to-get stains and spots. It also has a self-cleaning tool, so you can easily clean and maintain your cleaner. Lastly, there is a removable 37-ounce water tank that is easy to refill and empty. At number 2, we have the Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro Portable Mattress Cleaner. This SpotClean Pet Pro Portable Mattress Cleaner is another trusted Bissell steam cleaning product with which you can't go wrong. On Amazon, you can buy the cleaning machine alone, or you can get bundle deals with the cleaner solutions included. Like with all Bissell purchases, a part of the proceeds goes to help homeless animals. This cleaner works on mattresses, carpets, automobile interiors, and much more. You use the cleaning solution, along with strong suction and scrubbing action of the machine, for a cleaner mattress. It can pick up stains and spots and remove odors. Also, it can pick up deeply ingrained dirt. With all of the tools and other features, when finished, you get the cleanliness of a professional-style clean for a lesser price. And finally at number 1, we have the Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner. The Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner is one of the less expensive steam cleaners but still offers a quality clean. You can also order the machine with the cleaning chemicals for added convenience. The device has a self-clean technology as it flushes the hose after each use to remove any bacteria, dirt, and other substances that may get stuck. There is also an antimicrobial tool that helps protect against mold and other dirt collecting on the cleaner. Another unique feature is the dual water tank system. This keeps the dirty and clean water separate, making emptying and refilling the tanks simple. Removing stains on your memory foam mattress should be a breeze with this cleaner. Thanks to its small size, it is easy to fit in tight spaces and simple to transport and store whenever you're not using it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.